Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm sitting here in the dining room living area where I'm going to put together a 32-inch black steel construction tulip style pedestal table, which actually is supposed to support a whole ton of weight. Looks like it's really solid. These are nice metal pieces. It's nice. This is your normal composite. It's nice. It's essentially only 4 pieces. So let's put it together, take a look at it, see what it looks like. Okay, I have assembled a lot of Amazon stuff, IKEA stuff, all that kind of stuff. This was about the easiest construction project I've ever had. And in the end, this is a super solid table. I think it's cool looking. It's a great size, just like we said, it could be good for up to 4 people. I put another chair here so you have some perspective. And there's tons of room here. You could put another 2 around here. 4 people could sit here. This would be great for like cards, playing board games, just sitting around having a drink, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, this is awesome. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I really like this.